You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name in Welsh, and also how you can easily say it in English. The English pronunciation, it's the Welsh version of the Old French or Old German name, spelled as H-U-G-H, Huw, in English Hugh, and in Welsh it's very, very similar pronunciation as well. Huw, Welsh pronunciation, Huw, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.